Hi everyone! Another day, another condo tour na naman tayo. So ngayon, nandito tayo sa actual unit ng studio unit. So as you can see, pagkalipat nyo pa lang po, quality finish na siya. Wala na kayong gagawin. Simple or basic furniture and appliances na lang, pwede ka na makalipat dito. As you can see, naka-tiles na siya. Fully painted na rin yung walls natin. So here in this area, you can put your bed, you can style it, you can put a loft style bed, and also here is your view. Your city view, lalo na paggabi po, sobrang ganda nito. Maaliwanas, mga lighting sa gabi, sobrang ganda po. So here naman is the provision of your aircon. So ditong area naman is your kitchen. So na yung sink natin, naka-granite na yan. Stainless sink. May upper and lower cabinets. May grease trap na rin po siya. May nakaabang na rin po niya para sa range natin. So in this area naman po, ito yung bathroom natin. So fully complete to yung fixtures natin. May lavatory, bowl, and head shower. And naka-tiles na po yan at fully painted white na rin yung walls natin. So, if you have any questions or any concerns, computations, unit free viewing, please do not hesitate to message me here. Thank you.